Hi there, my name is Kaitlyn and this is my channel, The DIY Nurse. I'm an emergency room nurse here in Canada and I'm teaching myself DIY in my free time. I'm not perfect and I'm still figuring things out, but we're here to learn and have a good time, so let's have a good time. So the craft that we're doing today is actually one that I've been really excited to do. They're called Trinket trays. So basically you get these little terracotta pot catchers, the ones that you put under your plants that catches the water. You get some of those and we're going to be painting them with acrylic paint and then sealing them with a glossy finish. And basically making these cute little trinket trays that you can put coins in, jewelry, hair ties, any little trinkets that you have really. But I want to do some boho inspired designs. I thought that would be really cute. And I'm going to be making 5 altogether. So I'm planning on doing a giveaway in this video, so stick around to hear about that. So all the designs that we're going to be doing today are boho inspired and pictures that I found on Pinterest. If you want to follow along with these designs, go ahead, but if you want to create your own, it's a lot of fun. Alright, let's go! So we've done our 2 coats of the terracotta color on this one. So we're going to start putting in the sun details with this gold accent that we bought.
Okay, so we are back out on the balcony because we're going to be spraying our Trinket trays down with a glossy clear coat. This will protect the paint but also make them more durable in the long run. So we're going to spray the back twice, and then we're going to spray the front twice, and then we'll head back inside and I'll show you the results.
And that's it, we're all done. I really love how they turned out, and I actually think they turned out a lot better than I was expecting. So I'm really excited to do the giveaway that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. So if you want to enter the giveaway, I'm going to be giving 2 of these Trinket trays away to 2 different people within Canada. Unfortunately, I'm only going to be doing it within Canada, as shipping to the US is just a little bit too expensive right now. But if you want to enter and you're in Canada, you just have to like and subscribe to my channel. Anybody who is already subscribed to me or anybody who is new to subscribe to me from now until July 21st will be entered to win the giveaway. I'm going to be announcing it on my Instagram, so head over there and give me a follow and I'll announce it on July 21st. I'm going to be giving away 2 of them, and then once I announce it, you just have to reach out to me, give me your address, and I'll mail them out to you as soon as I can. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, hopefully you at least learned something, because I, as always, did. But I appreciate you watching, and let's keep having a good time.